Okay, we got the 32 Ford Highboy. Classic. Yeah, it's a shame these cars got to be so much money, because I just look at this car. It's just, this should be able to be recreated for like real cheap instead of these crazy money these kids' cars they want for, you know. But that's the way it is. Got the mirrors up there on the top where they belong. You see better. Yellow and white interior. Yellow. Racing yellow. Tack there. So you got an automatic. Yeah. Wear my STV Confederate color shirt and my boot, my 1800s Western hat or whatever you call it. So, one guy out here wearing Confederate stuff. Time to go to Georgia, man.